Shares of ASO, that's the ticker, have now doubled since its public debut back in October of last year. For more, let's bring in Ken Hicks, the chairman and CEO of Academy Sports and Outdoors. Ken, thank you very much for joining us here on CNBC. Let's take us through what was the big driving force behind that successful quarter that you just reported.
We have developed a strategy that was really focused on power merchandising, concentrating on what we really are, sports and outdoors, and building our service level in those stores and increasing our .com. We also benefited, obviously, from people as they took to more active lifestyle, being outdoors more, and all of those things together really created a record quarter and a record year for us.
How difficult was it, Ken, to ramp up that e-commerce effort, to transition those sales to the digital side of things, to kind of move with the pandemic trends, and then the supply chain issues as well? How quickly was it to adapt to some of those issues so that you didn't have the bottleneck problems that Courtney just mentioned?
Well, with regard to .com, we took probably longer than most to put in buy online, pick up in store, but literally over a weekend, the team put together curbside pickup. So we really moved that aggressively. With regard to the supply chain, we've been working hard. We've had issues with inventory last year. We are now in what I call an acceptable level for inventory, but we are seeing the challenges that Courtney talked about with containers, the ports. One of the advantages that we have is we're in Texas and we use the Galveston port, and that is not as congested as some of the other ports. So while we're seeing some slowdown, it's hasn't really hampered our business.
How do you keep, Ken, the momentum going? We know the trajectory of the virus is hopefully getting more contained in the coming months. How do you keep people coming back to your stores to spend that money on things like sports and outdoors?
Well, one, there's a lot of new people to Academy and to the things that we sell. We added over 5 million new shoppers to our stores in the last year. And many of those people are new to us and new to the categories that we sell. So a lot of people picked up fishing, hiking, building a home gym.
Sure.
And those people are coming back to fill in or to build on to their fishing gear that they've got.
Of course. All right. Ken Hicks at Academy Sports and Outdoors, thank you very much for that. And, of course, a big quarter for you guys as well. We appreciate it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.